Hello everyone. Welcome to another eye-opening episode. Today, we're diving into a topic that might just surprise you. While the world has long viewed the United States as the ultimate destination for opportunity and prosperity, a fascinating shift is quietly taking place. More and more Americans are leaving their homeland, not in search of luxury or glamour, but for a better quality of life, greater peace of mind, and, surprisingly, affordability. And their destination of choice? Malaysia. Yes, you heard that right. From retirees and digital nomads to remote workers and families, Americans are flocking to Malaysia in growing numbers. But why this Southeast Asian nation? What does Malaysia offer that the United States doesn't anymore? The answer lies in a unique combination of factors: a much lower cost of living, high-quality and affordable healthcare, political calm, rich multiculturalism, and a warm, welcoming environment. Malaysia is emerging as a modern sanctuary, where people can enjoy tropical beauty, urban convenience, and a stress-free lifestyle, all without breaking the bank. This isn't just a travel trend, it's a lifestyle transformation. Americans are no longer just visiting Malaysia. They're settling down, buying property, sending their kids to international schools, and even opening businesses. Malaysia is becoming more than a destination, it's becoming a second home. So, if you're wondering why the American dream is moving east, stick around as we uncover the real reasons behind this unexpected migration. You might even find yourself packing your bags by the end. If you're curious about global living, migration trends, or dreaming of life abroad, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Cost of living. Why pay more in America? Let's face it, living in America has become expensive. From housing to healthcare to groceries, costs are skyrocketing. In contrast, Malaysia offers a lifestyle that's up to 60% cheaper. An American living in Kuala Lumpur can rent a modern apartment for $400 to $700 per month, enjoy delicious meals under $3, and take Grab rides for a fraction of US Uber prices. Retirees, digital nomads, and remote workers from the US are flocking to Malaysia to stretch their dollars and enjoy a more comfortable life, without the financial stress. Thinking of relocating? Hit that subscribe button and comment below if Malaysia is on your radar. High-quality, low-cost healthcare. One of the biggest frustrations in the US is the healthcare system: expensive, complex, and often inaccessible. But in Malaysia, Americans are discovering something different. Private hospitals in Malaysia provide world-class services, English-speaking doctors, and affordable care. A typical specialist consultation costs as low as $20 to $40, and many procedures are 80% cheaper than in the US. In fact, Malaysia is becoming a medical tourism hotspot, attracting thousands of foreigners, including Americans, for affordable surgeries, dental care, and wellness treatments. Digital nomad and retirement paradise. Malaysia is not just for tourists, it's becoming a home for remote workers and retirees alike. With the launch of programs like the Malaysia My Second Home, MM2H, visa and digital nomad initiatives, the country has opened its doors wide to Americans who want a peaceful and affordable base with solid internet, vibrant city life, and nature nearby. The MM2H visa offers long-term stay options, while Penang, Langkawi, and Kuala Lumpur are emerging as digital nomad hubs with excellent cafes, co-working spaces, and communities of expats. Malaysian hospitality and multicultural vibes. Malaysia isn't just affordable, it's warm, welcoming, and incredibly diverse. For Americans coming from a multicultural nation, Malaysia feels surprisingly familiar. Here, cultures blend beautifully: Malays, Chinese, Indians, and indigenous groups live side by side. English is widely spoken, which makes life easier for US expats. Festivals, street food, cultural events, it's a colorful experience that never gets dull. Americans often say they feel safer and more at peace in Malaysia than in many parts of their home country. Escaping political tension and social stress. The social and political landscape in the U.S. has been tense in recent years. Rising polarization, crime, and racial tension have left many Americans disillusioned. Malaysia, while not perfect, offers a slower, less politically charged environment. Americans looking for mental peace, especially retirees and families, are seeing Malaysia as a sanctuary, an escape from constant social friction. Let us know in the comments, would you consider moving for a better quality of life? Don't forget to hit like if this sounds like a dream come true. Tax-friendly for expats. Believe it or not, Malaysia can also be a tax haven of sorts for foreigners. Unlike the US, Malaysia does not tax foreign-sourced income. That means Americans earning online, through remote jobs or investments, may enjoy their full income without double taxation, something highly attractive in today's digital age. Couple that with no inheritance tax and low property tax, and you have a destination that truly welcomes your money. Strong infrastructure and convenience. Don't be fooled into thinking Malaysia is underdeveloped. Kuala Lumpur boasts a modern skyline, world-class shopping malls, fast transportation, and reliable internet, essential for digital nomads and remote workers. International schools, universities, and hospitals meet global standards. The transport system is clean, cheap, and expanding, and airports connect you to the rest of Asia with ease. Nature, travel, and adventure on your doorstep. What's better than affordable living? Affordable adventures. From pristine beaches in Langkawi to lush rainforests in Borneo, Malaysia is a playground for nature lovers and explorers. And thanks to its location, traveling around Southeast Asia is a breeze. Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, and Singapore are all just short flights away. Americans living in Malaysia are embracing a travel-rich lifestyle they could never afford back home. Easy visa options and long-term stay programs. Malaysia makes it surprisingly easy for foreigners, especially Americans, to settle in for the long haul. Programs like Malaysia My Second Home, MM2H, and the Digital Nomad Nomad Pass are designed to attract retirees, investors, and remote workers. The application process is relatively straightforward, and once approved, you can enjoy multi-year stays with multiple entry privileges. Americans appreciate the flexibility and freedom that comes with these visa schemes, something that's much harder to find in other countries. Plus, unlike many nations, Malaysia doesn't force you into stressful bureaucratic hoops. You're welcomed, not just tolerated. Safety, stability, and quality of life. Let's be honest, safety is a major concern in many parts of the U.S. With rising gun violence, political unrest, and urban crime, many Americans are seeking a peaceful place to live. Malaysia offers exactly that. With low crime rates, stable governance, and a generally relaxed lifestyle, Malaysia provides a sense of security that's hard to find elsewhere. The locals are friendly, respectful, and tolerant, making Americans feel right at home. Whether you're walking through the bustling night markets of Penang or relaxing on a quiet beach in Sabah, peace of mind is part of daily life here. If safety, stability, and stress-free living matter to you, Malaysia might just be your perfect escape. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more global living insights. New American Dream in Asia. So, why is America flocking to Malaysia? Because here, they're finding peace, affordability, cultural richness, and a life that doesn't drain their wallets or their mental health. Whether it's digital nomads setting up laptops in Penang, retirees enjoying beachside sunsets in Langkawi, or families looking for a gentler pace of life, Malaysia is becoming the new American dream. This isn't just a trend, it's a movement. Would you ever move to Malaysia? Or are you already living there? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more videos about global migration, expat life, and hidden gems around the world.